Bonding with your handicap Opie. They like to be clean, so they clean their bodies as much as they can, but when they're handicapped like this guy is, they can't clean their ears because they use their rear legs to clean their ears, and he cannot use his rear legs. So I'm doing it for him. And of course, look at his face. He's making the smirk. And I gently just rub the inside on the different areas, and then I let him sniff it because he likes to do the same thing. If he could clean his ears, that's how he would do it. He'd clean them, then sniff his hand and lick it. So now I'm going to do the other one. And since I've done it already, I don't think he's going to let me do it again. You don't want the ear cleaned? Okay. But I cleaned both his ears, and really it's just wiping the inside. I also clean him with a Q-tip. But he does like the ear rubbing. Some Opies don't like the ear rubbing, but this guy does. This is little Remi. Oh, he's going to let me do this ear now. See the face? See the little scrunch? He's scrunching that ear up. I must have hit the right spot. Look at that little eyeball getting scrunched up. Not his ear, sorry, his eye. His eye gets scrunched up. Yeah, right there. And of course, I'm being very gentle. I'm not sticking my finger deep into his ear, just the outside. Man, he likes that. Look at that scrunched up eyeball. Yeah, that's the spot, isn't it? Look, there it is, right there. There it is. Okay. Get a little sniff. Sniff the fingers. There you go. And that's how you keep your handicap Opie happy if they don't have use of their rear legs. See you all later. Say good night, Remi.